tic-tac!
Way to go, Iron Man.
Way to go, Dork.
Way to go, Furball.
Way to go, Carl.
Boo! Way to go!
Way to go, Jack. Way to go.
Yes.
Way to go. Way to go, Lily. Way to go.
Way to go! Take it to the cave!
Way to go, little buddy. I knew you had it in him.
Holy shit. Way to go, Jim.
Okay, nothing happened.
Way to go, boss! That's north wind, sucker!
Nicely done.
Way to go, George!
Abierto. Oh, way to go, Buzz. Come on.
Oh, way to go, brother!
I can't believe he pulled it off. Way to go, dum-dum.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Ooh, way to go, Victor, first class.
When she come back?
3 weeks.
Way to go, kid. I did it. I did it.
Way to go.
I really liked your hands.
My hand?
Yeah.
Way to go, guys.